Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Have you ever heard sometimes an entrepreneur talk about building an empire? Once in a while you hear this kind of thing. My experience is when I hear it, it's sometimes from a younger entrepreneur, very excited, very motivated, talking about they're going to build an empire. And you can hear it in the cleaning industry too. It can happen. And I guess I understand it a little bit, how that's kind of exciting, especially when you're younger, I get it. But you know what? I think you want to be careful about that because it doesn't really, at least in my experience, and you can match this with your own, it doesn't really reflect the kind of things that are successful in the important parts of your life. In your family life, in your business life, has it been about building an empire? Well, my experience is, by the way, I think you got to be careful with this whole sense of empire, right? Remember what happened to the emperors. A lot of the stuff that the emperors did led to the fall of Rome, and that didn't go so well at times. So I think the thing I just wanted to mention, when you hear this kind of thing, it sounds like people are talking about they're powerful and they're invulnerable and they're cool. Well, I don't know, in anything that's been worthwhile in my own life with friends and then with my wife and the kids and in my business and our businesses, it has always been not being powerful, but being not powerful, but being right with people, not being invulnerable, but being vulnerable to people has helped. And you can tell the family, I'm not cool. It's none of that stuff. It really has to do with the opposite of that. And I have a feeling that might match with kind of your life too. And it's just something to keep in mind. You don't have to build a cleaning empire where no one can touch you ever. You're so big and enormous of a business. The kinds of things that that last, working with people in an honest way, with your employees, with your cleaners, your supervisors, that's the kind of thing that builds a company you can be proud of and can be very successful too. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.